Hello viewers, welcome to you all, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to solve your Facebook Messenger video calling problem. So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you if you cannot make video calling on Facebook Messenger, so what should you do. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you that step by step, so please stay watching carefully, don't skip any step. So let's begin our video. And guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. So guys, first of all, what should you do? Just open your Google Play Store and you need to find out your Facebook Messenger apps. Here you can see this is my Facebook Messenger apps, and you need to check out your messenger is updated or not. Here you can see my messenger is not updated, so make sure your messenger apps is updated. After that you need to let's back, and now you need to open on your uh, phone settings. Here you can see I finally find my phone settings here, so just open it. After that you need to scroll down and find out apps or apps management option. My phone have apps option, so you need to find out what you have on your phone. So after that you need to open it, and then you need to go manage apps option, and after that you need to scroll down and find out messenger. Here you can see I finally find my messenger apps here, so just open it, and then you get a option on the bottom right corner. There have a option clear data, so just tap it and then clear cache, confirm it. You need to also clear your all data. I do it previous. Okay, after that you need to go permission option, and you need to allow everything on your for on your these settings. You need to allow everything. After that what should you do? Just let's back, and now you need to open your messenger application, and then you need to go any on inbox and then try to make video calling. And here you can see it's perfectly working video calling. So in this way you can solve your messenger application video calling problem. So hope this video can help you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So thank you everyone for watching this.